Hey y'all. Today we're having, well, I'm having, but you're along for the ride, so we're having KFC Colonel Sanders finger licking good. Oh yeah. Yeah. Finger licking goodness. Gotta love it. I got little plates. I got a straw for my blackberry sweet lightning. It's not a diet drink this time, you guys. How about that? Oh. Wow. Dang, that don't want to come out. Let's see, well, hell with that bag then. Let's see, I got the fries, which they're not even full, so that's what Nick says. I'm gonna starve. Okay, and I got the mashed potatoes and gravy. I got a trash bag down there. Oh, you guys, I hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good this week. Got the biscuits. And I got 3 Buffalo Ranch and 3 Honey Barbecues. With my 8-piece bucket. Yes, I went all out. I got the 8 whole pieces of chicken. Yep. Sure did. Okay, I want a drink of this blackberry sweet lightning. It's some kind of Mountain Dew thing. Ooh, that's good. Ain't they supposed to fill your bucket up with the fries? Whatever. Nice and hot. And I'm feeling too damn good to complain today. Got all my sauces. Let's just get one of these little plates at a time. Chicken, I got the extra crispy. That's a thigh. That's another thigh. That's a leg. Alright, I'm gonna let that be that for now. Biscuits are upside down. Oh God. Ooh. 2 biscuits. Yep. Oh, man. That's my coldest over there. No utensils. I wonder if I've got a spoon. Hiding over here on the cart. I got a fork. That might have to do. Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Got one. And my snack cart's kind of bare right now, so yeah, I got some granola bars in there. Grab it time, grab it. Ooh, that's a weird spoon too. It's one of them weird soup spoon type dealios. Might as well be eating it with a fork. Let me turn my phone on silent. It's almost 9 o'clock at night, y'all, and I'm flipping hungry. So, you know, no time for real small talk. Oh my God. Grave. Oh my goodness. Man. Try and make a well for my gravy. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna be drinking this gravy before it's over with. Yep. Ooh. Alrighty, let me open a couple of these things and then we're gonna get started eating, because man, it's been all day today sleeping. Yeah, I thought I was gonna say I did something right. Y'all know I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing but just lay around and be a lazy fat ass. Oh goodness. No, yeah, I did sleep in today quite a lot. But for goodness sake, it takes me forever to get 8 hours. I mean, I start trying to get my sleeps like at 10, 11 o'clock at night. I'm taking my first nap, you know. And then I'll sleep a couple of hours, and I'll be up a couple of hours. And then I'll sleep again for a couple of hours. It's just ridiculous. It takes me over 12 hours to get 8 hours sleep. Just wake up and gotta pee at night. I mean, that's not a bad thing. I like this buffalo ranch here. Oh. I'm such a potato girl. I love potatoes. Any kind of way you can have potatoes. I love some potatoes. All right. Didn't send me any napkins either. But okay. I still love my KFC though. It's always good. Mm-hmm. Oh, hot. Mm. 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 That's good. Mm. 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 So this video is going up on 420. Mm. And as y'all know, I am very 420 friendly. Mm. 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 I haven't really had time to partake today yet. I mean, I have a little bit, but not a whole lot. Mm. 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 And you know, I thought about doing a place like, you know, White Castle or... Mm. Mm. I'm trying to think, there's this other place. They do like really weird sandwiches, like with mac and cheese, chicken fingers, buffalo sauce, mozzarella sticks, jalapeno poppers. It's just all piled on these different types of sandwiches. And I swear I forgot what the name of the place was. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. But I was gonna order something called the Fat Cow. Mm. I was just like, it didn't sound that appetizing. So I was like, no, I don't know if I'm ever gonna be that high. And then there was this pizza place called Moon Doggies that had like certain like weed-based name like items on their menu. And there was another place called Chiba Hut for sandwiches. Mm. They all sound great, but when I am really, really faded, give me some fried chicken. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 I am super happy with this choice. Mm. 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 Because I love some KFC. I think KFC is the one I tend to go for more often than like Popeyes or Church's or any Jollibee or any of the others. Mm. It tends to be the cheapest for me. Mm. Mm. And plus it's like not too far from here, so it's like piping hot when I get it. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Oh, that is all breading. Lord have mercy. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. Mmm. 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 Oh my goodness. There we go. More taters. Y'all wouldn't believe how many times I order KFC a week. In the last week and a half, this is like the 4th time I've ordered KFC. Not even joking. Like I said, it's really cheap. You can get a chicken breast for like under $4. So I'll order like 3 to 4 chicken breasts. And a side, usually some mashed potatoes or fries, just depending on how I'm feeling. And that's like my food for the day. Not bad. Not good either. Still massively overeating, but that's another thing I like about KFC. They let you order your chicken a la carte if you want it like that. So if I'm just wanting white meat, just get some chicken breasts, and we're good to go. Yeah, but they try to get slick. It was like a few days ago I ordered 4 chicken breasts. Excuse me. And they sent me 2 breasts and 2 thighs. Like I wouldn't be able to tell or something. I mean, come on, y'all playing with the KFC. But DoorDash let me get my credits, you know. And like, I didn't get a whole lot, I mean, because they still sent me chicken, so. I got a few dollars back, but I didn't get the whole, you know, thing. Because they might not have sent me the chicken that I wanted. They still sent me some chicken, though. Anyway. You know, and I love how folks are like, you complain all the time. It's like, if I got my order correct, I wouldn't have to complain. And yeah, if I could go get my own food, I'd have a better chance of, you know, getting what I order instead of doing delivery all the time. But they'll still screw you like that. I mean, I could give you plenty of examples of how, like, Tommy or Susan would go pick up food, like, way back in the day. And it still wasn't right. Still wasn't right. Oh, I got crap down in my trash. Ugh. Dang it. Oh, excuse me. Ooh. Oh, but yeah. It's just the way it goes, you know? Ooh. I love me some fried chicken. Love it, love it. Oh. Alright, this is gonna be it. I'm not even gonna do a wing. Oh. 2 thighs, a leg, and a breast is gonna be quite enough for this fatty. How hot. Ooh. Damn. Ah. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. 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 Man, I don't know if I should have started this one. Woo! I'm feeling really full. Mmm. 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 Mm. 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 Ooh. I'm sitting here stuffing my face. I forgot about my drink. Mmm. Oh. Excuse me. Oh, that's really good. Oh my word. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. That's the end of the line. Ooh, can't eat no more. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Yeah, I'm full. I am quite full. That was some good chicken. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Mm. Yep, definitely not a whole lot of small talk today. Nothing pretty interesting. As usual, I mean, y'all come here every week. Y'all are used to it. Mm. But anyway, I mean, I hope y'all enjoy yourselves while you're here, regardless of why. Mm. Whether you just come for the company, to see the food. I don't know. I don't know. I don't watch mukbangs, really. Mm. Mm. I was thinking about it earlier. It's like, oh, who would be my favorite mukbanger at this point? Mm. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really watch them. I've been watching gamers. You know, and I'll admit I've watched a couple of like food challenges lately. I was watching Randy Santel. He was taking down like an 11-pound like prime rib roast. Like, good Lord, that was a lot of meat. But the meat itself, it looked so good. I was like, man, how much of that could I eat? I could probably eat like half of it. I mean, I've had a king cut, you know, prime rib before. And it was a lot. It was a lot of steak. It was like huge. But I don't know. You know, obviously I can't even get 4 whole pieces of chicken down. And there's probably most of that breast left, actually. Of the meat, anyway. But it's fun to watch, in my opinion. I don't know. Anyway, you guys, I appreciate you stopping by, and for whatever reason, whatever your reasons for coming to hang out with me, I do appreciate you. And I want to say I do appreciate all the kindness in the comments. There's been a whole lot of ugliness lately, but you know, I should be used to it by now. You know, I've been getting this kind of treatment for most of my life, you know, and you know, you kind of get used to getting beaten down, you know. It is what it is. But anyway, to all the kind people out there, love you very much and thank you. And I will see you next time. Bye now.